Here I am in Vietnam's most dangerous rice paddy. You never know when a rogue water buffalo is gonna release its mating call and charge with the intent to impregnate. You never know when a Vietnamese boy might pop up with his portable Nintendo system and challenge you to a game of Yu-Gi-Oh! It's very unpredictable in this country. What's a guy gotta do to find some excitement around here, huh? Today is part of the Tet holiday, which spans nearly a week. So most Vietnamese people right now are visiting family. They all leave the cities, they go to their grandparents' homes, pay respect to their elders. Little kids get money, they get gifts, and everybody eats. So I'm actually trapped in this little town I'm in called Tam Coc because there are no buses. Everyone's on holiday. Oh, here's a kid. Oh, Sing Chao.
Where are you from?
Oh, I'm from Canada. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Oh, nice to meet you. And you speak English? You speak English?
What?
English. You speak English? No? You're from Vietnam. What's your name?
Duy.
G. I'm Tony. Xin chào. Happy New Year.
Thank you.
The kids always want to try out their English and they all know hello. And where are you from? Hey, I found a church. I would love to go down and see what he's doing. He's washing a chicken. I see some people under the bridge. Oh, there's a big rat. That was a giant rat, guys, running across the street. What is this place? Tam Coc? England? Ninh Binh. Oh, I found Ninh Binh. Okay, Ninh Binh. Okay, here we go. Looks like we have a giant industrial building. More industrial buildings. Ah, here we go, Binh Minh. Well, this is exciting. I rode my bike into an entirely new city. Some people go to the beach. Whoa. Check this out. It's like a statue building factory. Let's take a look at this the statue factory. I don't know what else to call it. That's pretty cool. Oh, I think these are gravestones, possibly. Here we've got the Buddha. We've got elephants down here. It looks like Binh Minh is the town of statues. This is where people come when they want to buy their statues. Wow, seriously, this is so cool. The entire town really is. It only exists for statues and gravestones. It looks like that anyway. Oh, this lady invited me to come look inside her shop, so let's go take a look. I'm in Binh Minh. I have no idea what this place is all about. But the locals are very curious about me, more so than I am about them, I think. Let's see what's going on here. Some people are very suspicious of this foreigner with a GoPro walking around in their village. Look at this, it's totally beautiful. So cool. Here's a man who loves little children. So interesting. Xin chào. No. See.
Nó rất thú vị đối với tôi.
It's very interesting. I'm telling them it's very interesting.
Nó rất thú vị đối với tôi.
Phiên dịch luôn.
Yes.
Tình yêu đâu không đi cùng.
We do not go together. No, no. Alone. Just me, one.
Ý là vẫn còn non. Vẫn còn non.
44 tuổi.
Vẫn còn non.
Vẫn còn non. Thank you.
Come on. Still young. Oh, thank you. Come on. She says I'm still young. Ah, she said I'm still young, even though I'm 44 years old. Did you know that? So basically, when the Vietnamese they talk to me, they want to know where I'm from, how old I am, and if I'm married. I had no idea there was such a demand for statues. What a cool place. I want to find someone actually carving. Whoa, look at this. I found something really interesting. Let's go take a look. It's computerized. Whoa, this is all mud. Okay, so I can't really walk over there easily, but look at these. They're water and they're computerized. So it's not a human being. It's not a human being cutting it. It's a computer that's got the designs inside. This must be where all the stone in the entire country is coming from. All of the statues. Oh, Xin chào. Hello. You speak English?
Yes.
You speak English?
No.
Oh.
Hello.
Hello.
Where you from?
Canada.
Canada.
Yes. And you?
Ở đây luôn. Việt Nam.
Tam Kok, Bin Min.
Đi này. Bên kia.
Oh.
Đi đường đây. Đi này.
That's Binai. Binai. This is
bên kia.
This way.
Không, this way.
What's this way? Should I go this way? Me? It's good?
Không đi được, không đi
No.
được. Không được, đi đỏ. Ý ông bảo là đi ra đây để tham quan thì đi đấy.
Yeah, see, I make a video.
Hello.
I met some Vietnamese locals.
Bye bye.
Come on, bye-bye. Yeah, the locals are like, what the hell is this guy doing here? They're like, don't go down there. There's nothing down there. Go back. And I said, no, I'm going this way. Into the smoky industrial wasteland we go. Wow, it's a little bit post-apocalyptic. These like these incredible landscapes, and then you have giant piles of burning garbage and industrial complexes in the background. Wow, look at these limestone cliffs. Mesmerizing. And on the other side of this cliff is a giant factory that I really wanted to take a look at, because I think it's the stone cutting factory, the biggest one. But it looks like they have security gates. Yeah, they waved me away. The security guards did not want me going inside of that establishment. Well, I found a karaoke bar out here in the middle of stonemason apocalypse. You speak English? I made another friend here. What is your name?
My name is Ming.
Ming, you live here? Where are you from? Where are you from, Ling? Vietnam?
Vietnam.
Tam Coc? Oh, okay, bye-bye. What a crazy place. Nobody's working today because it's Tet holiday, but some of the machines are still running. I have a feeling that a lot of these statues are probably for export to China. Oh, he's back. Okay, let's go together.
Oh, money.
Money? You want money for what? You have no money.
English.
English. Hello, how are you? Huh?
Where are you?
I'm from Canada. Hey, he wants money. Forget about it. Everybody's coming out like, what the hell is the foreigner doing here? Sing Chao. Hi. And this guy's my escort. Hello. This is real Vietnam here. Hello. I guess it's pretty exciting that a white guy is rolling through their hood. Hello. So much fun. What a lovely village. Maybe I'll stay here forever. Find a wife. I found some nice industrial buildings here in rural Vietnam. See, while everybody else is out making videos of the limestone cliffs as they float around in the idyllic rivers, I find this much more interesting. Look at the view here, look at the view. You have these beautiful Jurassic Park style limestone cliffs coming up out of the water with lily pads, and right here you have a giant industrial building. It's so interesting. Where is this? I think this is a police station. Oh. Cook Can. Yeah, I don't think I'm supposed to go in there. Well, so this whole canal is actually part of a prison, so it goes all the way around that prison. If you're a prisoner, 3 kilometers, okay, come on. Yeah, and so this guy's telling me that's the way back to Tam Coc, and if you're a prisoner, you're going to have a hard time coming across here. You live here? It's your house. You work in the prison? You work? You work, you're guard. Do you work in the prison?
Yes.
Ah,
Yeah.
as a guard?
Oh yes. Yeah.
Oh. How many prisoners are in the prison?
No. No caspect.
Oh, it's very interesting.
I cannot speak.
Oh.
I cannot speak. I cannot speak. À không.
Oh.
Mình không
You
thể nói.
cannot speak. I understand. Yes. In Vietnamese, you cannot say.
I not.
You're not allowed to say.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Come on.
Tam Coc go to 3 meters.
Okay, fun. It's very, very mysterious. I would love to know more about that prison and go inside and talk to the prisoners and find out their stories, but It's not gonna happen. The guard said he's not allowed to talk about it. And I just have to ride 3 kilometers down this amazing dirt road to get back to Tamcock. Okay, well that's the end of today's video. I hope it inspired you to go take an adventure in a foreign land full of wonderful and strange things. Until next time.